Do you know what is the purpose of collagen and what does collagen do for the body? Research shows that women's skin ages faster than men's because women consume more collagen than men. After a woman's menstrual period, the endometrium falls off and the damaged uterus needs to be repaired. And the endometrium is composed of collagen fibers, which require a large amount of collagen. In addition, fertility, abortion, etc. will also damage the uterus, which in turn requires the consumption of collagen. Let's start by asking about why women need collagen. Let's take a look. 1. Collagen are fillers that will work its way to the dermis and help tighten the skin, reduce deep wrinkles, and smooth fine lines. 2. Collagen can lock in moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and moisturized. 3. Collagen can help heal wounds by attracting new skin cells to the wound area. It promotes healing, new tissue growth, skin cells renew and repair themselves. 4. Collagen can repair damaged tissue, reduce pores, and make skin delicate and smooth. 5. Collagen can make cells bond more tightly, accelerate the speed of new cell growth, and reduce melanin and make the skin fair and less pigmented. Example: Miri collagen protein uses extracts from the skin of codfish. The active collagen obtained from fish skin is then broken down into smaller molecules called peptides, so it's easier for the body to absorb. The product is rich in 19 kinds of amino acids, and the collagen contained in it can enhance bone density, provide nutrients and moisture, elasticity, and other functions required by the skin, and has a high absorption rate, making the skin more moist and smooth. Miri collagen protein also helps tighten the skin and strengthen the function of protecting bones and cartilage. Regular intake can help improve skin elasticity and radiance, and reduce wrinkles, especially on fine lines at the end of the eyes and the corners of the mouth. Here are 4 surprising benefits of collagen for joint health. 1. It whitens the skin, removes facial pigmentation, and keeps skin delicate and smooth. 2. It combats sagging skin from the inside out, increases skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and delays aging. 3. It promotes glowing skin by resolving skin issues such as acne and pigmentation. And 4. It nourishes the hair, nails, and connective tissues throughout the body, protects cartilage, and maintains joint and bone health. Youth is short-lived, but aging is something that happens every day and scares most women. Let Miri collagen protein help you rejuvenate the skin and help your skin look more youthful. Miri collagen protein is available in Singapore pharmacy and TCM stores. Retail price in Singapore dollar is $48 only. Inquire at 6562-5526. 6562-5526.